of course, leave it to Benton to throw the gnarliest backflip of the day. Kind of a full send kind of a thing. They dropped you guys. Why would they drop you? That was so rude. You guys okay? What up, Team Buckhouse? We're at Copper. It's gonna be a sick day. We got the boys, Ski Doc, Benton, and yeah, we're gonna film a bunch of videos today. We're gonna throw down, and the snow should be nice. Right?
Yeah.
That's just one motion. So the difference in this versus a laid out backflip is there's a disconnect. It's actually two motions. It's laid out and then feet down. So that's the difference between laid out versus not laid out. So Benton's helping me with my backflip. Who else to ask other than Backflipping Benton on how to improve my backflip? Because I have it. Obviously, I keep flipping. I just can't get the landing. I'm rotating too fast, all kinds of stuff. I still struggle with seeing during the rotation. I just throw a backflip. It's kind of a full send kind of a thing, but having a sick day. Michael's crushing the filming. And today's just going super smooth. I'm filming 2 other videos, a how to slam video. You guys have really been asking for that. And 5 tricks for 40-year-olds. So it's a great video for anyone that's over 40, or even if anyone that just, the idea of the video is you have responsibilities, you can't get hurt, but you want 5 cool tricks to impress your friends or to just be steezier on the mountain. So that's the idea of that video. Overall, we're sending it. It's sick. Thanks for the help, Benton. We're gonna keep working on that backflip as long as I can keep my adrenaline going. Yeah. Don't want to lose it. Once I lose it, I'm like, I'll like roll up and be like, I'm done with the backflip. But anyone that didn't know, I can backflip.
Yeah, you backflip. I see.
Backflipping Johnathan.
Alright guys, the backflip is feeling better. It's looking okay. And we're having fun, we're just throwing it. But you know what else is looking good, feeling okay, and backflipping? Today's sticker shout out. We got Mass Mills with 2 Evolutions, 2 Galaxy Evolution stickers. Guys, if you want to get an Evolution sticker or any of our merch, hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, they're all linked in the description, as well as like hats and beanies. We have everything, all kinds of merch. And we just released a bunch of new stickers like the Roman sticker and like Galaxy and Lightning. Check out the stickers if you haven't seen them in a while. But if you do snag any merch, make sure you tag me on Instagram and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs. But also follow my Instagram. It's where I post a bunch of bonus extra content. So if you want to know where I'm riding each day, like I'm at Copper today, if you're at Copper, you come say what up to me, or just want to laugh at all the goofy stuff my son does, or just any bonus extra content, follow the Instagram. If you're not following it, you're missing out. All right, enough talking. Let's talk some more backflips. And yeah. Alright guys, I'm getting to the point normally where I stop throwing the backflip. But I kind of want, I want to get this, you know? So we're going to keep sending it. Jam my finger on that toe edge. But it's 2 per backflip. 2. Of course, leave it to Benson to throw the gnarliest backflip of the day. Whew, that was insane. You're not even supposed to hit that thing like that.
That was scary. I got upside down and all I saw was a really aggressive knuckle just staring at me in the face.
Start my day. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs, eat some breakfast, milk and eggs, brush my teeth up, wash my face, throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Drink some water, brush my teeth, get out of bed and I stretch. Bed in my hair is a mess. Look through my clothes for a fit. Anything I do is drip. Feel like a kid when I'm tick-tocking, I still keep it real as it is. I show my age, I don't switch often, I'm just as a dad as it gets. Try taking naps with my kids, talking, I'm guessing this life how it is. And I can't wait for the weekend, keep jammies on like I'm a kid. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs, eat some breakfast, milk and eggs, brush my teeth up, wash my face, throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Feel good, feel great, can't complain. Look out my window, see birds and planes. Sun's out, some clouds, it might rain. Siblings on my nerves again. Summertime, go for a swim. Wintertime, go grab a sled. Spring, I might need an umbrella. Fall back in school with my friends. Attitude change like the weather.
They dropped you guys. Why would they drop you? That was so rude. You guys okay? All right, guys, that was today. What a sick day. Anytime you can do like 6 or 7 backflips, which is so huge for that trick because it's so mental. Just backflip, backflip, backflip. And Benton's helping me. He says when I get upside down, I need to thrust.
Yeah, it's all about that thrust. You just gotta go back
and we'll get there. It was a sick day. Shout out to the ski doc for filming, by the way.
Yeah.
Your house, your car, wherever you are. If you need a mobile tune, Michael's a tuning man. He'll show up, tune your gear up, and you're good to go. That's in the description. We already gave Ben a plug. And look at it, it says copper. That's cool.
Oh, that's sick.
But yeah, I'm super hyped on today. I'm at the point where I feel good. We probably could have took a couple more laps, but like feeling good. You know, we're about to head out to Washington. There's no reason to go extra hard. So I don't know if you guys could tell today, but it was very windy, and somehow we still managed to film 2 other videos, which makes me even more hyped on the day because we rode good and we got more videos made for you. And it was super windy, and I think we did good with the audio. Better than when the last time we were at Keystone. Benton stopped snowboarding the last time we went to Keystone. I don't know what else to say. So with that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no. Cliff